Hello friends, I am Nirpesh. Well, friends, I am back with a new video of mine. In this video, we shall take up another topic of math, which is logarithm. Let us begin with our topic for today, that is logarithms. Before we discuss our topic, let us go back to the topic of exponents, or we can say that powers. Let us take an example. 3 raised to power 4 is equals to 81. Well, this equation represents itself tells that we have to multiply 3 4 times in order to get 81. Right? Here, 3 is the basic unit, which is called base. Right? And 4 is the power, or we can say the exponent. So we have to multiply the basic unit 4 times in order to get the desired result 81. Well, this is the exponential form which we have already done in junior classes. Now writing this expression again with the help of log. This expression can be rewritten in logarithm form as log to the base 3 of 81 is 4. It is read as log of 81 to the base 3 is 4. So that means that actually represents this equation only. That means the base, which is written as subscript. That means the base has to multiply by which number so that we can get our result as 81. So we already know that if we multiply the basic unit 3 4 times, we will get 81. So it will be read as that logarithm log of 81 to the base 3 is 4. Right? So this is what the logarithm is all about. So logarithm of a number which we have used 81 here is the power or the index to which this given base 3 must be raised in order to obtain the number which we all know is 4. So log of 81 to the base 3 is 4. Right? Now generalizing. Let us take an example, general example. Suppose we have 3 numbers a, x and n, which are related as a to the power x is equals to n, where a is any number which is greater than 1 and x is any rational number. So in terms of log, we can write as log of n to the base a is x. So x is the log of n with the base a here. Right? So the number x is called the logarithm of the number n to the base a. So we can now sum up that log of a number is the power or index to which a given base must be raised to get the number. Right? So this is the definition of log. I could again read it as log of a number is the power or the index to which a given base must be raised to get the desired number. Now we are taking up the logarithm identities. Basically we have 4 different logarithm identities, which are we have 4 different logarithm identities. We have 4 different log identities and we are going to discuss them. First is the product identity. Here the log of product of 2 numbers, that is log of product of 2 numbers to the base b, is actually sum of the logs of the 2 number independently. So we can write a log of mn is equals to log m plus log n. Let us take an example. Log of 4 plus 4 into 64, that is log of 256 to the base 2 can be solved as log of 4 plus log of 64. Log of 4 to the base 2. Here we want to know that base 2 को कितनी बार multiply करें so that we can get 4, which is we know that 2 को हम 2 बार multiply करेंगे, we will get 4. So log 4 की value is 2 plus here base is 2. So we want to know कि 2 को हम कितनी बार multiply करें so that we can get 64. So that is 6. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So log of 256 to the base 2 is 8. So this is the product identity. Secondly, we have quotient identity. It states that log of ratio of two numbers is equal to the difference of the log of two numbers to the same base. Right? Let us take an example. If we wish to find log of 64 upon 4, so it would be, actually we are finding log of 16, which can be found using this formula, would be log of 64 minus log of 4. Log of 64 to the base 2 we already have solved. We know that it is equal to 6, and log of 4 with the base 2 is 2. So we have got the result as 4. So log of 64 upon 4, that is log of 16 to the base 2 is 4, which is correct. We know that the base 2 has to be multiplied 4 times in order to get the result 16. Right? Now the third logarithm identity is power identity. That is log of the p power of a number to some base b is equals to p times the log of that number to the base. Right? This is the power identity. Let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose I wish to find log of 4 raised to power 3. So it can be solved as 3 into log of 4. The power has come in front. Right? The 3 here aa gaya hai. So now we can solve 3 into log of 4 to the base 2. That means base 2 को कितनी बार multiply करें so that we can get 4, which we know that it is 2. So 3 to the 6. So log of 4 की power 3, that is 64. Log of 64 to the base 2 is 6. This is power identity. Now let us take the last log identity is change of base. We can change the bases also, right? Suppose we are given log of a number x with respect to base b, and we want to change this base to some other number a. Then we can make the use of the formula log of x to the base b is equals to log of the number to the base a upon log of b with the base a. We can convert the bases using this, change the bases using this formula. For we can take an example. Suppose we have log of a number to the base 2. If we want to change this base, suppose we want to change the base from 2 to 10. Right? So we can, using this formula, we can change as log of x to the base 2 is equals to log of x to the base 10 upon log of 2 with respect to base 10. So this is how we make use of this logarithm identity. Hope you understand it. Thank you.